Not using mobile trading yet? You could be missing trading opportunities. Let's fix that in 60 seconds. Getting started with the FXGT app is simple. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your mobile phone. Search for FXGT app, download it, complete the setup, and you're ready to go. If the app is not available in your store, please check the official FXGT website for the latest download information, or contact our customer support available 24/7. Once installed, open the app and log in with your FXGT credentials, or register directly in the app. You're now ready to trade CFDs across Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, and more, all from one platform. Execute trades effortlessly with powerful tools. Manage everything in one place, deposit, withdraw, open new accounts, and monitor your trades with confidence. Backed by advanced security and encryption, you're all set. Stay connected to the markets wherever you are and trade with confidence on FXGT.
FXGT, where traditional meets digital.